In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Shopify store sales in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or new to the world of e-commerce, understanding how to effectively track your sales is fundamental to the success of your online store. It's not just about glancing at numbers, but really delving into the data to optimize your business strategy. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head on over to your Shopify site. Open up your preferred browser and go directly to Shopify's main site. Once there, the next step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. Use your credentials to sign in securely. It's crucial to ensure that your login details are protected, so make sure you're using a strong, unique password and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a panel with different management options. Here, you're going to look for the section labeled Analytics. This is your gateway to all the vital statistics that give you insight into your store's performance. Now, under the Analytics section, you want to click on Reports. This is where Shopify compiles all the crucial data about your store, condensed into accessible and understandable reports. It's an invaluable feature that allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of your store's activity. When you've opened the Reports section, you'll see a variety of report categories available. Look for a category specifically titled Sales. By selecting this option, you'll open up a host of sales reports that can provide detailed data about your store's sales performance. These reports are instrumental in understanding revenues, analyzing trends, and identifying growth opportunities. After selecting sales, you'll be presented with individual items under a heading titled Name. This part is particularly useful as it allows you to delve into more precise details of your sales numbers. Click on any item listed to open the specific report. This is where you'll find comprehensive insights that can help you comprehend your sales performance through different lenses, such as by product, time period, or customer segments. Each report gives you the power to make informed decisions based on actual data rather than assumptions, and is a vital part of your daily management routine. Take the time to explore these reports, as they can highlight which products are performing well and which might need more attention. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you'll have a clear understanding of how your store is performing and where your focus should be. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in navigating the analytics of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.